You cannot make takfir on us because we don't believe the original Quran is corrupted, which is with the Mahdi. The original Quran is with the Mahdi, and for the last 1200 years, you guys have been reading the corrupted Quran. We say to them, the problem still remains. The problem still remains. Who did the Quran come for? The Quran says, Hudal linnas wa bayyinati min al-huda wal furqan. The Quran says that this book came to guide the people. Which people? If the Quran is taken away and the Mahdi went with the Quran to the cave for the last 1200 years, he's keeping the Quran with him in the cave, right? So what Hudal linnas wa bayyinati min al-huda wal furqan? Where is the Quran? The Quran is corrupted. Then we are no different to the Christians and the Jews, because their books have been corrupted, the Bible is corrupted, and the Jews and the Christians, they confirm the Bible is corrupted. We are the only people, amazingly, now amazing, this is something crazy. This is something. Orientalists, non-Muslim scholars, they are saying the Quran as we find it today is exactly what Muhammad delivered to his companions. Kuffar, non-Muslims,
have no agenda,
and they don't have a horse in the race. They know about the Shia books and their claims. They have studied them thoroughly, and they completely disregard them as polemics and as lies. And what they say is the traditional view on the Quran that can be found in Sunni books is absolutely accurate. The Quran we have today in our hands came directly from Muhammad's companions, from the Prophet. Okay, so I gave you at least two names. There are Michael Marks is another expert on the Quran, said the same thing. The Quran today is exactly the same as what was delivered by Muhammad. I'm paraphrasing their words. Angelica Newworth, Michael Marks, Nikolai Sinai. Okay, and there are even those who are hostile. Even those who are hostile, I'm coming to you. Even they are saying that all of this Shia garbage about the Quran is all polemics and lies. Akhbari says no, and even the Usuli say no. I'll tell you why. Because if Quran is corrupted, then there is no Islam. Islam has already been demolished. It's fallen. Because for 1200 years, the Imam is hiding in the cave, and we are fighting each other. We are flipping all lost sheep. We don't have the Quran. Allah failed to deliver the Quran to us. Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam failed. The Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam failed to give us the Quran by that extension. And amazingly, now there's another issue. There is another problem. I'm coming, wait. When you look at Al-Khafid, Man La Yahdaru Al-Faqih, Al-Istabsar, Al-Tahdhib, these four Shia books, chunky, thick volumes, this thick. Al-Khafid alone is 30,000 reports. Okay. Yeah, you can. Let me finish this point. I'm coming to you. When you read the reports are attributed to mainly two Imams, Imam Ja'far al-Sadiq and Imam Muhammad al-Baqir. And the bulk of the reports, 90% of them, they come from these two Imams. My question now is that Imams in these reports partly told us the Quran has been corrupted. Because the Imam is saying, Hakadha nuzilat, and then it was changed. The ayah was revealed like this, and there was name of Ali in there, and they removed it. Now, my question is, the Imams gave these chunky, thick volumes to their elite, select Shia in the 3rd and the 4th century of Islam or before that. Why couldn't the Imams simply give them the Quran? The Imams had the Quran. The Shias believe, no, they had the original Quran with them all the way. So instead of telling them, Hakadha nuzilat, just put the Quran in their hands. Put the Quran in the hands of these elite Shia, Zurara, Abu Basir, Hisham bin Hakam, Hisham bin Salim. Give them the Quran, man. Why are you hiding the Quran? You're telling them what's in the Quran. What's the point of hiding the Quran and giving them Al-Kafi, Man La Yahdaru Al-Faqih, Al-Istabsar and Al-Tahdhib? So this shows you this is a lie. These are all lies. There was no original Quran. Original Quran is with us today. And they say it's a corrupted Quran. Yeah. So this is why, coming back to your point, I'm coming to you right now, that these beliefs, after the Muslim scholars got their hands on the books of the Shia, they realized these are real beliefs attributed to them. Therefore, those who believe in these things and they are kuffar.